The four new bachelor's degree programs launched by the University of Guyana are degrees in food safety, occupational health and safety, environmental engineering, and vector control. These programs fall under the School of Allied Health of the College of Medical Sciences at the local university. On Monday night, Dean of the College of Medical Sciences, Dr. Cecil Boston, said that these programs were developed in response to a call from health ministers across the Caribbean community. CARICOM.
Initially, the ministers of health of the CARICOM member states would have expressed the need to strengthen the skill set of the environmental health officers. And this is necessary in order to adapt to the increased and expanded range of challenges and responsibilities of environmental health practitioners. And the four key areas that was looked at talked about the expansion of the national food industry. It also talked about the endemicity of the Aedes aegypti mosquito and the high transmission when we talk about dengue fever, yellow fever. And we also spoke about the Zika virus, the chikungunya at the time. And now we're faced with COVID-19, and there may be other emerging vector-borne diseases. It also incorporated the global world, the global market economy, and with a focus on the expansion of the tourism industry. And lastly, it looks at the transshipment of waste and the emergence of new communicable disease. And because of this, the ministers of health with CARICOM member states decided to formalize and standardize environmental health education across the region.
As such, with a focus on standardizing environmental health education, Dr. Boston said that these programs, tackling specific areas of environmental health, including food safety, builds upon the university's prior environmental health programs that were broad and generalized. Various speakers throughout the nearly 2 hours long virtual event articulated how each of the programs will help to transform the local environmental health sector and each of the fields that interact with this sector. Dr. Emmanuel Cummings, the university's Deputy Vice Chancellor for Academic Engagement, also emphasized the benefits of these programs.
What we're seeing here today is a total revision after the development of the bachelor's degree. But you have the revision and areas that indeed will make the program much more attractive in terms of student numbers, more focused, and certainly more relevant to our developmental needs as a nation. Environmental health itself being part of public health, which is an important aspect of any country who wishes to have much healthier population, placing emphasis on public health.
The university is currently engaged in a registration process ahead of the new academic year and is accepting applications for these programs. Reporting for the newsroom, I am Vashani Raghabir.